Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing this look, which is using the blue LA Splash liner that I showed you guys in my haul. This is around this look is what I want to do, and I want to put it to use. And I will be using my Violet Voss palette, which I just want to start off by saying I love. So pigmented, so worth it. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join the family, and let's get into it. Alright, so here's the palette. And as you know, I was so excited to get this at IMATS. This is what it looks like. So today is going to be like your favorite sports team, like jersey day at work. I've got a Yankees jersey and a Jets jersey, so it's a blue and a green. So I'm not sure if I want to do a blue look or a green look. I do have the blue eyeliner, so maybe we should do a blue look. Don't mind my breathing. You know, with spring comes allergies. With allergies comes the asthma. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna start with, so I already did my foundation and everything because I didn't pick up foundation at IMATS, so I didn't have anything new to show you. The only thing is, once I'm done, I'm gonna go back to the face and just add a couple of more products that I had picked up, but so far it's just a foundation, some contour, a little bit of highlight, a little blush. Maybe it's a little too much, but I'm gonna add to it. I'm gonna start with Abigail. And it's just like your nude skin color. And then I'm going to jump into Riley and Alice. So I want to keep it kind of neutral so that I can do the blue so it isn't like too much. Because again, I'm going to work. But I did want to play with the palette. I do want to see, you know, what comes out. And in the end, I might end up with something different. But that's what we're going to do. That is beautiful. Very pigmented for a skin tone color, so I'm liking this. So now we're gonna mix in Alice and Riley. I'm gonna add some of this one. It's called Ashley. It's just like a brick kind of a color. That's how that's looking. So I think I'm going to cut the crease, and then I think I want to add some of this jasmine color. It's like a blue, sparkly blue. And if you hear Sammy, she's right there. You already know. Okay, so I'm just going to put some concealer actually. I think I want to use my finger for it. So that's the color. That is so beautiful. I'm gonna take the brush and see if I can pack a little bit just to give it a cleaner line. I'm gonna try to smoke out the edge just a little bit. I'm gonna take a smaller. I'm gonna go in with Skylar, which is just like that darker brown, and just, you know, put you over here. And I don't want it too dark because I'm gonna do the wing liner with the blue, so I don't want it to kind of get lost in the, you know, the darkness. So let me see. I think I do want to put some black on my waterline and tightline with it. Just to kind of intense it and so it's not so soft. So this is the blue. And I'm gonna wing it. I was gonna use tape, but I think it's too late for that. So this is a long brush. Now I'm gonna try to do it like I need to get really close to the mirror, but so as always, one always comes out better than the other, but we're going to try to work with that. Alright, so now I'm going to work on the bottom, and let's see what I want to do down here. I think I'm going to have to get another palette. Just want this blue green kind of color to put on the bottom just to mix it up a bit. I don't want to have just like a solid, you know. So I only did mascara only because I already know the look I'm gonna get when I get to work. So let me just, this is the Essence, the false lashes. I really like it. I like the wand that it has. It's like a really small wand, but once you put it on and stuff, I kind of feel like I feel it falling in my face. And yeah. Alright, so I think I want a little bit more of like a goldy highlight. First of all, I'm just going to take the Sephora Beauty Amplifier. I'm going to set the face. Maybe it'll make my lids pop a little more. And I should have did this before the mascara, but actually no. I'm going to take this one and add just a tap over here. And then over here. I'm not going to do my Cupid's bow because my lips have been super dry and I'm just gonna put some Carmex on because it's not. Every time I go to put on a lipstick or something, it's like I can see, and I've tried to exfoliate, but that's not working. So, okay, so I just put on my hoop earrings. I have on my Yankees jersey. It's my husband. It's Jersey Day. Got my hair in a bun, my hoops. You know, relaxed, but still I have on dress pants. So this is the look, and I really wanted to try out this blue liner from LA Splash. That's how it looks. But I think I want to add to it, add a little bit of this liquid crystal liner from NYX just on the top here. Just to give it something a little bit extra. Like that. So I feel like I have a hair on me, but I can't really open the eyes for a sec because they are hooded, so they will transfer. But this is the look. Now, if you want to be extra, you can do some blue lips, or you can just do like, you know, like that bluish color highlight just to give it a little something extra. But again, I am going to work, but this is the look, and I really like how that blue liner worked. It looks so nice. So again, if you're new here, please subscribe. Hit that little like button, hit the notification bell so you're notified when my next video goes up. I am going to film now my haul that I was telling you guys I was waiting on a couple of pieces from AliExpress, and I picked up a few things from Primark, which I'm going to film really quickly now. So if you're not subscribed, you're not going to know when it goes up. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.